So you're looking for a new roof on your home. Great, you've come to the right place. Unified has been helping homeowners with their roofing systems since 1989. Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home, but most homeowners don't think about it until there's a problem. If you're dealing with leaks, missing shingles, or an aging roof, waiting too long can lead to serious damage and costly repairs. At Unified Home Remodeling, we've been dealing and replacing roofing systems across New York for decades, helping homeowners protect what matters most. We start with a full inspection and a free estimate. We'll explain exactly what's going on with your roof and walk you through your options so you can make an informed decision. A roof is more than just shingles. It's a full system. A proper installation is key to making sure it lasts. Our team focuses on doing the job right from start to finish. If you're thinking about getting a new roofing system replaced on your home, give us a call for a free consultation with one of our experts. They'll go over all your different options with you, explain the installation process, and help you make an informed decision based off of your budget, your needs, and your home.